Jesus, peace. Keisha.
Yes, John?
Yeah, me, you know.
In where?
Me, man.
Where?
Me, in a shipping company.
What? What you mean by in the shipping company? I don't get it.
I'm working at the warehouse.
What?
Then you tell me from a shipping company.
What? I said to drop the
And
shipping
you tell me
company.
from a shipping company. You know?
No. I said they're robbing you. The rates are too high.
You serious? Well, it's too late now, you know. Them been a rob me, so me a go rob them. And who?
No.
You You don't want nothing.
No one.
You're a joke,
No.
man.
I said you should drop them
You're a
and
joke.
come to ship quicker. If you just listen, I said you ship quicker.
Oh, my conflicts are fired.
No, John, you need to get out now and stop this.
No one is cool. No, not tell me that, not tell me that.
No,
We
John,
me not get robbed. Me a go rob them. Can't stay there. Right, Keisha. Police.
Oh my god. Oh my
Police.
god. Run. 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 Run, John. Run. I remember. He ship quicker.